Introducing the GTools Pro Modular Series, our flagship heavy-duty storage and workbench system, built for industrial environments, commercial workshops, serious professionals, and premium home garages. Built with heavy-duty welded cabinets and 1.0 to 1.2 millimeter thick steel, the Pro Series delivers the strength and structural durability required for heavy tools, equipment, and demanding daily workshop use. The 600mm deep stainless steel workbench provides extra room for servicing, fabrication, and larger jobs. Benchtop sections above selected base and trash bin cabinets support loads of up to 200 kilograms. Full extension drawers give you a clear access to tools at the front and back, with selected drawers supporting up to 75 kilograms of hand tools and workshop equipment. The 2-meter tall cabinets provide serious vertical storage, with each shelf supporting up to 50 kilograms and a total cabinet capacity of up to 300 kilograms across the shelves and cabinet top. Gas-strut-assisted overhead cabinets and robust pegboards keep frequently used tools, parts, and consumables organized, visible, and close to the work zone. The durable powder-coated cabinet finish helps protect against scratches and corrosion, while polished doors and refined detailing creates the premium presentation expected in professional workshops and luxury garages. With drawer cabinets, cupboards, pegboards, overhead storage, corner units, and additional workbench sections, the fully expandable modular design can be configured around your workflow and expanded as your requirements grow. The GTools Pro Modular Series, maximum strength, serious workspace, and flexibility for workshops and garages that demand more.